Day 56. When you look at this tree, you realize, wow, somebody has been trying to push it over. And it's the force of the wind that has been pushing and pushing on this tree, trying to get the leaves to fall off and loosen up the roots and just knock that tree over. But no matter what, how strong the force is of the wind, that tree has a strength within it. It has roots that go way deep into the ground. They even may connect with other trees, and they have a force within them that holds them grounded in the earth. The tree also has a system where sap runs through it and the water runs through it, and it keeps its strength so that it holds on to the leaves, or it is able to hold on to the branches, and it has a power within it. It's a sense of nature. And each one of us has that sense of nature. And today we're going to imagine ourselves like a tree. We're going to imagine ourselves with the power and the strength to hold on no matter what force may appear. And it all begins with your breath. So let us take a deep breath in, relaxing your mind, relaxing your body. Breathing out, feeling calm. Now taking a deep breath in, imagine yourself standing tall like a tree. And with the breath in, just follow that breath all the way down to the bottom of your feet. And open your feet and allow your feet to grow roots. Just imagining it. You're grounded in the earth. And no matter what force comes, you have the roots and the foundation to hold on. Let's breathe in and just allow those roots to travel all the way down through to the center of the earth, making you feel strong, making you feel powerful, and giving you the ability to hold on. Now taking your breath, imagine yourself in your heart, holding on in your heart with this wonderful force of love. And you're breathing in and slowly out, feeling the heart open up through every cell in your body, every organ, every system. So you have this very strong branches of love through your entire body. Now take some time and breathe deeply using your imagination. Be a tree in the forest, standing tall, being love. Taking a nice deep breath in. Now listen and imagine the sounds that you hear as you're standing tall as a tree in the woods. Taking a nice deep breath in. Breathing in, just imagine the wind blowing through your branches. You can feel the power of nature and the strength that's there naturally for you always. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in, bringing yourself fully back into your body and recognizing that you and the trees are essentially the same. you're able to bend and be flexible and feel grounded, and you're able to let go. And that's because you're connected to the truth of nature, the power of love. Be careful today what tree you're going to climb up. But remember, you always have the gift of love to support any force that may come your way. Be well.